ant going around and around.
You're taking a picture? You're taking video of it?
Well, you can't take a picture of an ant going around and around, so you gotta take video. I think it's getting dizzy. He's starting to stop.
Just pause the burp. Maybe he's drunk.
Yeah. Maybe he had too much sugar.
That's what it is. He had too much sugar.
Sugar beer. He
He's
had
on a
too
sugar
much
high.
sugar beer.
He's on sugar high.
Why does that ant? I don't know what that. Maybe it had diabetes.